Hi guys, I'm Ari from Rapidbott and I'm here to tell you that you can also use the power of OpenAI to make a chatbot smarter and use the different models available from OpenAI to get the best results out of it. So let's begin with it. Basically, you're going to need two things. One is the API key from OpenAI. We'll put the link to it in the description, and you need a free account on rapidbot.cloud/register. We'll put this link as well. So basically, just fill all the details and sign up for a free account. There is a 14 days free trial available with all the pro features. Once you sign up, so you'll see a dashboard like this where you can access all the features. You'll see all the integrations that are available. For now, let's go to OpenAI and grab our key. So just go to beta.open.ai.com and click on your profile and get the view API keys. There you can see your API key. You'll get an option to create one and you can copy it that time. So once you're done that, you need to come back to the dashboard and create a new chatbot. I already have set one up, so I'll go into this and we can start working on it. But before doing all that, we need to install the OpenAI app from Mini Apps. So scroll down through all the way down here and go to Mini Apps. We already have an OpenAI app installed, so basically we need to go to Install App and search for OpenAI. Did I misspell? Yeah, I misspelled. So basically, you just need to search for OpenAI. Usually, it will be on the top. If not, just search for it. So once that is done, let's go back to the chatbot that we are set up, and we're gonna start building those. The important step before building, once you have the API key from OpenAI, you just basically need to go to the settings tab and put your key over here. So yeah, that's about it, and just save it and you can begin with the building. Okay, so once that part is over, we can start building our chatbot. So I'm going to click on continue to next step, and I'm going to use the questions tab since we're asking a question to the user, and let's choose text from over here. Let's say, how may I help you? Now we need a variable where we're going to store the response from the user. So let's just choose response. And yeah, that's about this step. Nothing very difficult, I guess, for you guys. Okay, now we need to map the response from the user to the mini app for OpenAI. Let's get that started. Let's choose the Actions tab. Let's choose the Integration module and let's select our OpenAI mini app. And now we need to map our response from the user. As of now, only generate text is available. Hope more exciting stuff comes in future as well, so we can test that. So let's get started with mapping the response from the user to the OpenAI, so we can get our query results and showcase it in our chatbot. So basically, we're just gonna need the variable name from the user that was in our last step that we named the response. Let's use that. There are different models available in OpenAI, which you can go into the playground and check. You can check all these things and play with it. So for now, I'm going to use the first model that is available. So let's just copy this. And the default token are available as 200. Let's say 300 for this demo. And now we just need to store the output to a variable so we can showcase it in the chatbot or print it, you might say. So let's use the query variable. We already have that set up, so let's use it. Let's save it, and yeah, that's about it. Now we're gonna print this thing in our message. Let's add a text block, and let's just use the variable name in which we are storing the output from OpenAI. Yeah, that's about it, and let's just map it to our first step. How may I help you? So we can test it as well. Let's just publish it and preview it in a new tab. I have some questions over here in a sheet. Let's use this as sample so we can check. So let's click on start conversation. So we have our question, how may I help you? I have my first question over here. Okay, let's say give me the Try to specify a number. In fact, let's say give me tips on SEO. Let's wait for a response. Okay, we have 7 tips available from OpenAI. So research keywords, optimize page titles, use header tags, building backlinks, optimize images, and track and monitor your progress with Google Analytics. So yeah, pretty standard stuff for search engine optimization. So you can use something like that. I have another question: how to build a brand? Let's wait for the response on that. Okay, again, got some tips available. Establish your brand identity, clarify your brand's purpose, mission, vision, and values. Think about how you want your customers to perceive your brand and what kind of feel they will experience when they engage with it. Create a logo, develop a brand voice and tone, foster engagement with customers. Look at that kind of stuff. I think pretty important stuff if you're building a brand. Okay, let's ask a technical question now. How to print in Python? Technical side as well. Oh, pretty quick. To print a statement or value in Python, use the print function, for example, print 24. Oh, that was quick. So I guess, yeah, that's about it for the demo. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Let me know if you have any trouble with setting it up or any issues regarding that. We'll be happy to get in touch with you again. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.